BMW 2013 525i. So we need to get the wiper arms up into what they call fold out position. So we're gonna hit the start stop button on and then immediately off. Do not have your foot on the brake pedal. You're not gonna start the car, you're just gonna hit it on and off. And then right when you hit it off, you're gonna hold this lever up for 3 seconds right there, this one. And this is called terminal R, I believe, like when you hit accessories or when you have the lights on but not the engine. So we're gonna go on, off, and then this is gonna go up for 3 seconds. And our wipers are in service mode pretty much. So let's come out here. This is my new wiper blade. These are from BMW. And when you have your wiper arms in service mode, basically what you want to do is just lift them up like this, very carefully, and then turn that sideways and just pull it right off. Easy peasy. You shouldn't have to struggle or nothing like that if you have this style. And then see that hole, you just put it in, you put it on that little peg, and then you'll just let it fall into place. I'll show you what I mean. So put this on here like that, and then it should just drop down into place. Be very careful with these wiper arms in your windshield. If that thing goes down, then that's the end of your windshield. So put it down slowly. So we're going to take them off like that and then put them on just like that. This part shouldn't be too hard, but I can't stress enough, do not let that wiper arm come down and smack your windshield. So alright, so then after we get the blades switched out, basically you just turn your accessories on and then hit your wiper arm up one time, and then they'll just pretty much be on a reset, you know, and that's it. Well, don't stay on. Oh, I think I have them on. But yeah, just hit your wipers and then you could just turn them off. If they keep going on you, you could just hit your button off and then just turn them on and it should do a reset. Yep. Alright, hope this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching.